Right guys, we're back in the dyno cell with another Motorsport Performance Stage 3 NA build, but this time it's on a 650 Mustang. So we've got a dark horse here with a 10R80 10-speed automatic gearbox, and we've been building our Stage 3 NA package and doing the development on this car. So we've installed some Cook's long tube headers, a pair of JLT cold air intakes, and we've had the car on the dyno doing our usual tuning process. And we've finished tuning this car now, and it's making 455 wheel horsepower and 385 foot-pound of torque at the wheels. So we've picked up some healthy gains. Like I say, this car is a 10R80, so the transmission losses are a little bit bigger than a manual gearbox car. So this making 455 wheel horsepower is actually about 10 wheel horsepower more than the equivalent S650. So if you compared this car to a automatic Mach 1, they usually do around 445, 450, and this is doing 455. So there's probably more to go in this car as well, and the cars are new, so as they get broken in and start putting some mileage on the engines, they do generally start making more power. So with this being a 10-speed automatic, we've actually tuned the gearbox as well, so it's got faster and stronger shifts and a higher shift RPM. And we've done the usual stuff that we do in the ECU, like we've tamed the cold starts down so you're not annoying all your neighbours with your noisy cold starts. Neutral rev limit has been raised so you can rev it in stationary, and all the usual stuff that we do in the S550 platform we can do with the 650s now. So this is the first 650 Stage 3 NA package, and it is now available to buy. So you can stop pestering us, because we know everybody's wanting it. So it's ready to go. So if you want some more information on this, head over to our website where you can find plenty of information and more videos and content and stuff on this platform. And as always guys, if you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.